Ever dream of living in a storybook cottage hidden deep in an enchanted forest? Today, I'm sharing 10 vintage cottage decor ideas that will make your home feel just like a fairy tale. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss a sprinkle of vintage magic. Let's start with a classic, vintage floral wallpaper. Think delicate roses, faded greens, and soft blush tones. Add pastel paint or lace curtains and voila! Your space whispers storybook. Nothing says enchanted cottage like stacks of old books. Display them by color or tie them with twine. Bonus points if the spines are worn and magical looking. Hang dried flowers from ceiling beams or in vases. Lavender, baby's breath, and eucalyptus create that wildflower witchy cottage vibe we love. Use reclaimed wood from shelves to side tables. The imperfections tell a story and add soul to your space. Teacups with faded florals, enamel pots, and hand-painted plates. Even dishware can be decor if it tells a sweet story. So, which of these vintage cottage ideas stole your heart? Tell me in the comments below. And if you're craving more fairy tale decor inspo, hit like and subscribe. Until next time, may your home always feel a little bit magical.